Look. So I know I'm late, right? No cap, been dropped this shit. I been said I was gonna get into it probably like last week. I'm probably like a week and a half late or something. But I'm here. So look, when No Cap first came out, I don't know if this when he first came out, like Ghetto Angels, that's when I started listening to him. I'm pretty sure most people started listening to him. I don't know what he had before that. But when he dropped Ghetto Angels, I'm like, this dude raw as hell. And then I started listening to a lot of his shit from then. And I done added a lot to the likes, you know what I'm saying? I was rocking with No Cap. But then for some reason, in my opinion, No Cap went left. You feel me? And I ain't really been listening to nothing for real. I don't think it's no Cap that I got that's like really new. So I'm here to listen to this and see if I can come up, see what his mind at now. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it was the beats he choose now or what. But let's gonna get into this No Cap, the main bird, EP, album, project, whatever. The first song is Rich and Dangerous.
This shit crazy. Get that bag, get through.
I ain't gonna say it sound like it's finna go hard though.
Dying about that money, you know hustling kills. Deserving what I got, I put in work for years. I hope Fred know that I miss him, but he never called me. Wish my nigga would've passed away from natural causes. Giving up on being happy cause them devils on me. All I know is grab my ratchet every.
Giving up on being happy because the devil's on me. Okay, it sounded, when he just hit the switch up, it started to sound good. Let's go.
Fucking morning, Lambo tied they grip the street, them bitches hug the corner. Rich ass rapper, police think I got a 50 on them. I see diamonds in your eye every time that you cry. Yes, that's why you so emotional. All that money couldn't save me, they made me mad enough, then I'ma go spin out a Bentley truck. Rich and dangerous, yeah, rich and dangerous. Yeah, rich and dangerous. Yeah. Shawty can't leave, she stalking. Can't give.
Alright, I wonder what the hook, if he gonna come back like that, or is Rich and Dangerous just the hook? But the verse sound like, you know, you just need a little second to know if you finna like some shit. But the verse sound like he finna spit, so let's see.
Up, I'm ballin'. Whoever hang with him, we get him. We don't have a target. I been in LA, but all the trenches where my heart at. These niggas ain't felt no pain, these niggas just play hurt like a car wreck. At night I pray to God that he protect me from that cold cell. Remember I was posted on the wall just like a doorbell. Everything changed, remember Duke was standing right.
Remember I was posted on the wall just like a doorbell. No Cap be coming with them fucking bars, bro.
Right here, pistol in my hand, it take too long to get to my hip. Dying by that money, you know hustling kills. Deserving what I got, I put in work for years. I hope Fred know I miss him, but he never called me. Wish my nigga would've passed away from natural causes. Giving up on being happy cause them devils on me. All I know is grab my ratchet every fucking morning. Lambo ties, they grip the street, them bitches hug the corner. Rich ass rapper, police think I got a 50 on them. I see diamonds in your eye every time that you cry. That's why you so emotional. All that.
Yeah, this alright so far. This alright.
Money couldn't save me, they made me mad enough, then I'ma go spin out a Bentley truck. Rich and dangerous. Yeah, 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 rich and.
Alright, man, that was No Cap, Rich and Dangerous. He took all his jewelry and shit off to go handle some business. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that was alright. It was alright. I hope some songs are better than that. You feel me? But we're gonna get into the next song. No Cap, How It's Going, featuring Rob 49. I heard Rob 49 maybe like once. I ain't check out too much of his music, just that one song. So let's go ahead and get to the next song.
Busy out of it, busy out of it, busy out of it. Yeah. 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 I put an AP on my left wrist. I put Cartier up on my bitch. I put a Rolex on my brother arm. That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah, I drive that Chevy like a rose, mouth full of goals. Rich niggas still a fuck a project, huh?
I never heard him come like this before on no type beat like this. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm sagging cause I got it from my daddy. My mama knew I was a problem when she had me. These niggas talk behind my back like I'm the reason.
My mama knew I was a problem when she had me. Okay.
The name that I fucked around and ran it up. That's the same reason they stuck. I got too much paper, I made it kinda hard to go to war. Let your globe hang out the car. No shit get wet up when I'm out. No cap the hood preacher, got a plug who blessed me with that all. My say so fucking big, I think it need a bathroom stall. Wake up in the morning, 100K on my dresser. Don't call yourself no op if you ain't applied pressure. I walk on stage.
Wake up everyone at 100K on my dresser. Don't call yourself out if you ain't ever had pressure. That flow hard, bro. That flow was just hard, which made that line just hard to see.
Call my name, the streets do too. Free Cortez, he know 3 numbers, 762. Why the police take my rifles? I got deals to catch too. I'm sagging cause I got it from my daddy. My mama knew I was a problem when she had me. I drive that Chevy like a rose, mouth full of ghosts. Rich niggas still a fuck a project.
Hold on, no cap. Let's go! No cap. When I say that let's go like that, the beat's supposed to drop, G. It's supposed to drop. Rod 49 what came in. This shit would have been slamming. Let's go.
I put an AP on my left wrist.
The drop came in too late for me, man, but it's okay. Let's go.
I put Cartier up on my bitch. I put a Rolex on my brother arm. That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah, 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 that's exactly how this shit been going.
Yeah, that's exactly how this shit been going. I've been in that mode, I'm flipping hoes, I ain't got no girl. Diamonds like broke glass, I'm in the track, all screaming free the trail. Glock it to my left, P pusher, bad hoe flip will sell 1,000 pounds.
Rod 49 coming real crazy right now. There go Rod.
Once you said that, can't erase that, better stand on what you feel. I'm in knee deep in the drug life, ain't no nigga gon' bring me feel. From New Orleans, where the BR, we who put holes to the test. 762 is like a missile, oh you love me, give me tatted. I'm cut from a different fabric, niggas cotton, and I'm silent. He ain't tied it, niggas lying. VM, Roger Mafia, I was cutting school with them. Niggas act like they remember. I sold weed, I crack cards, I'm a real hood nigga.
I put an AP on my left wrist. I put Cartier up on my bitch.
I ain't like folks' verse. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't like Rod 49 verse. Let's go though.
I put a Rolex on my brother arm. That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah, 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 that's exactly how this shit been going.
Alright, that was No Cap How It's Going featuring Rod 49. The hook was cool. The overall song was alright. I feel like I'm finna say everything is just alright. I want some shit that's like, damn, I need to add this to the likes. You know what I'm saying? But Rod 49, I don't know. I'm not gonna say he didn't fit this song. I just didn't really like his verse like that. But look though, if you was with me on the Dolph album, I listened to the Dolph album. I'm finna write them down so I can rank them for y'all. You feel me? This is gonna have to go second. It's gonna have to go in order so far. So I got Rich and Dangerous over this. Then it's how it's going. I ain't gonna lie. I don't want to hear No Cap turn up. I want to get in my feelings. I need some relatable shit. So let's get to the next song. Back to the Basics by No Cap, man. Let's go.
Gina on a track.
Yeah.
This sound like it's gonna be turned up too. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, my niggas, they be drugging, they pop Percocets like Advil.
Gee, I never heard No Cap come like this before. This what you all, No Cap? This the lane you want to take right now? Okay, I fuck with that you coming different. I fuck with that. I ain't gonna take that from you. I like that you like, man, fuck that. They probably think I'm only coming one way. I'm finna show them that I'm versatile in this type of way. So I hear you, bro. Let's go.
Bend it over, shake it for me, show me that ass real. We know it ain't close, so we can't talk about that case. Ay, them niggas ain't ballin', they just sit on wait. I'm rockin' roll, my bitch nice as hell. You can't tell the difference, they gon' have to burn me out of jail if they get the trip. I'm staying quiet on the internet, I ain't into this. That bitch Keisha got some good head.
I ain't into this. I like how you do his voice like that. Okay, this shit sounded good.
Pay for her tuition. And if she mad, a couple grand, I put a smile on her face. Free my nigga out the can, I spend bands on this case. They ain't billing shit for somebody to take it. God know that I'ma sell and spin and I be praying. Hold up, PTB, you know we protecting the brand. Hold up, too much walking me, can't tell what I
protect the brand at all costs, bitch.
I be sad. Your niggas train to go, mine train to kill. Me and Shawty close, but I don't wanna feel her veneers. Tell Sky I wanna fuck her like a porn star. Think that I'm slipping, we got 4 dicks in this foreign car. Can't be myself, so I can't wait until I shake these papers. I'm down to whoop that hoe, she cheats, so now
No cap, let's see if you get it right this time. So hold up. Let's go!
She think I'm crazy. Right through my bill with a stick, right back to the basics. I'm down to catch a tip to lose, police should've tased me. All about my green like the Hulk, I'm so incredible. I came out that gutter 12, know what's in my area. Say she from Virgin Islands, I still fuck on the first night. Country boy, mud riding.
She say she from Virgin Islands, I still fuck on the first night. Ooh.
My Willis on the dirt bike. Shawty should thank me for real, I took her out the projects. Don't worry, I'm at my lowest, so I'ma sip this high tech. These nigga bitches go to jail insane. His name should be Melody. When I squeeze it, I won't fucking stop. That's just my trim. I know they aiming at my head too. Hey, you know my legacy. If they pick me up, I keep quiet. That's just my niggas, they be drugging, they pop Percocets like Advil. Tell her bend it over shit.
No cap, why you turning up on these niggas like that?
Get for me, show me that ass real. We know it ain't close, so we can't talk about that case. Ay, them niggas ain't ballin', they just sit on wait. I'm rockin' roll, my bitch nice as hell. You can't tell the difference, they gon' have to burn me out of jail if they get the trip. I'm staying quiet on the internet, I ain't into this. That bitch Keisha got some
on my soul like that. Stay quiet on the internet, he ain't into this, man. Y'all shouldn't be into this neither. She getting old.
good head, pay for her tuition.
Alright, man, that was No Cap, back to the basics. Alright, so look, that shit was hard, No Cap. I'm not used to him coming like that, but that shit was hard, my boy. Look, I said that shit like, look, back to the basics, #1, bro. I'm gonna put that shit back to the basics, bro. That's #1. Then I got Richard Dangerous, and then I got How It's Going. So y'all follow. I hope y'all got y'all pen and paper, bro. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna rank these. You drop your ranks in the you know, the comment section, whatever. But that's what I got so far. Back to the basics, Richard Dangerous, How It's Going. Let's get into the next song. Standing on Lies. I don't know. Is he finna turn up some more on this hole, or he finna? Let's go.
Gina on a track.
Hey bro, is that Jambo?
Believe they self, they standing on lies. And they always asking me why. I won't let no one love me, I'm fine. That Lambo low to the ground, my head high. And they always asking us.
This what I'm talking about, No Cap. Let's go.
That's why we post on that block and don't hide. When we know that it's chances of dying. When we know that we facing jail time. Bullets fly like Delta, take a nigga spirit. All this jury on, I brought my lawyer with me. Soon I told them no, them niggas went to dissing. Only thing that showed me they was never with me. Ay, problems in my cup, I mixed the soda with it. Had to stop giving my trust, I barely know these
Problems in my cup, I need to soul with it.
bitches. She took too many pictures, first time I flew her out. She won't see me again, cause I see what this all about. What happened to the real niggas like this shit a drop? The fake is in, played to win and lost. I'm young, not convinced, I need a 10 to talk. A 50 to niggas see me, ain't talking about Titans, you did. Black card, it remind me, niggas got life in the pen. My daddy
Hey, he coming with flows too. Like how he flowing, not just what he's saying. Like he's switching up his flows on y'all ass. I'm gonna give you that too.
taught me two things, don't follow the hype or the trend. So they gon' die trying to be something they ain't. I made a call after I pulled the paint. I told the God, but I didn't complain at all, cause it get worse. Skipping school, now them boys trying to
I ain't saying real shit on here.
and get home with the world. Don't guess I'm risking it and giving it, they take this hard to go. I knew that they would change, but I didn't see my homies folding. I got so damn rich that I can burn what they owe me. I got so damn lit that they gon' burn me if they can. Standing in the rain with a gun in my hand, with a bulletproof umbrella. I wonder why these niggas believe they self, they standing on lies. And they always asking me why.
I'm fucking with this one, y'all.
Won't let no one love me, I'm fine. That Lambo low to the ground, my head high. And they always asking us why. We post on that block and don't hide. When we know that it's chances of dying. When we know that we facing jail time.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about right there, no cap. That's this shit I want to hear right there. Standing on lies. Number one, can you tell? Can you tell that it's gonna be my number one? I don't know. Back to the basics still is hard to sell though. That's why it's low key just hard to even move that shit. But this the no cap I like, so I gotta put it at number one. You know what I'm saying? So standing on lies. Back to the basics. Rich and dangerous. And how it go. Or how it's going. Whatever, you get what I'm saying, man. That's my order, man. You gonna stay your fifis or you gonna get back on that rah-rah shit. That turn shit. Let's go. Alright, this giving me turn shit. Like he back on that turn shit. He ain't finna come like he came last song.
D-Hell.
Yeah.
Cut it on every beat, nigga.
Yeah. My wrist right, so my bitch right, my fit right, keep a stick right. Where they trap at, we gon' spin it up. Them niggas broke because of us. That Molly pink like pig skin. Fucking on my bitch friend. Got that Lambo tinted and put Dracos in it. Niggas, they was with me. I don't know what happened. I had to get rid of bitches. I knew they was choosing.
I really like that. He on some different shit. What made you do this, no cap? What made you go this route and say, man, I'm finna do some different type beats, different type flows, different type topics? What made him do this? Unless he been doing this lately, cause like I said, I ain't really been like on no cap. I ain't really been listening to it, but he like, I'm finna switch this shit up.
I'm rich, so on the blame for everybody when they losing. She don't know a song, but she gon' fuck me cause I'm poppin'. Spent 20 up in demons and I didn't plan on shopping. Top in my lap, girl, it's a hack. Cortez, he'll dunk on them like Shaq. Don't try to flex, I'm getting bad. I'm fucking snow bunnies in these cats. Got all these rings on like I'm mad. Got all these Cuban links on my neck. I got a cold heart in my chest. I got an op bitch in my bed. Say that they with it, dodging on the low. I put some no attachments on the pole. We just gon' burn the bridge for them trolls. Niggas didn't see my vision all along.
D-Hell.
This one ain't really sounding like nothing, man. It ain't really moving me. I'm trying to see if I'm even liking this better than the one with him and Rob 49. So far, it's looking like I'm liking this one less than that one.
D-Hell.
Yeah.
Cut it on every beat, nigga.
F5. Yeah. My wrist right, so my bitch right, my fit right, keep a stick right. Where they trap at, we gon' spin it up. Them niggas broke because of us. That Molly pink like pig skin. Fucking on my bitch friend. Got that Lambo tinted and put Dracos in it. Niggas, they was with me. I don't know what happened. Niggas ain't right. Bitches ain't right. Niggas ain't right. But my bitch right. Yeah, nigga.
Alright, man, that was no cap, ain't right. Yeah, that one gonna have to go at the bottom of the list. It was just like, it was like boring to me. It was boring to me. I don't know about you. So they're gonna have to go where it's gonna have to go. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna have to go under that Rob 49 shit with the Rob 49 joint on it. So my basically still the same. It's just ain't right. It's just fell in line. Stand on lies. Back to the basics. Rich and dangerous. How it's going? You know what I'm saying? They get to the next song though. Him and Rallo Rodriguez. See, Rallo, I don't have not one song I know or really like a Rallo's, bro. I know of him, and I heard he be spitting bars and shit, and I guess they do well together. That's a good collab, but I don't know too much about him. So, finna go ahead and get into this Tight End featuring Rallo Rodriguez. No. I can't understand him, bro. Seriously, on some serious ass shit, bro. I hate that I have to probably like go to the lyrics and see what he's saying. I heard something like ski mask. It's like he like under the water with his shit, but he trying to rap fast, so it's like you can't catch the last shit he said. Like he going. Okay, the way my life is Drew, I can't get a breeze. Come on, bro, let's go.
Play, we put them on the
Killing every day, I'm trying to dodge the grave. Especially, I know all these rappers feel like they so targeted. You know what I'm saying? That's just how they feel. They come out with all the ice on, they come out with all the drip on. They in the flashy cars, so they feel like they want to get on that with them. I caught one. Like fishing. I caught one. He said, don't scream, shot me on your FaceTime, bitch. I guess I'm not going to cap. That shit gonna have to go at the bottom, bro. I would've liked it, bro, but I can't listen to Rallo, bro. I just can't. And I would like to listen to Rallo. Don't get me wrong. I would, simply because I think he spit pain music. But I just can't pick up on shit he's saying, bro. On some real shit, bro. Like, I wanna hear him before he get in the booth, bro. Before that auto-tune take over his fucking words, bro. That's all that shit be. Auto-tune, but it just gonna have to, none of y'all gonna be like, how the fuck you putting that at the end? Yeah, it's going at the end, bro. I don't care. I can't even listen to the song, so it's just gonna have to go at the end, bro. I can understand Rob 49 better than Rallo, so it's just only right. So I got Standing on Lies, Back to the Basics, Rich and Dangerous, How It's Going, Ain't Right, and Tight End. I would like for Tight End to be higher, cause I was liking it until Rallo came on. But let's get into the last one, man. No Other Way by Nocap. Hopefully he take us home with this one. This one be raw as hell, and I put it at the top of something. You know, at least in the top 3 or something. But let's go.
Algina on the track.
Hey, nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. Remember days we ain't had nothing to do. They called a jet, I'm all my haters wanna kill theyself. I suicide my doors, and they the reason why I flex how I do. I only ran it up because of you. That foreign car and Gino Pirate make the same sound go skirt. Won't tell they get my time cut, I catch my rap with scissors. But I'ma watch this presidential. But if you run, we come and get you. Nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. I'm out here all alone.
Alright, this song, I don't know, Nocap. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? I don't know.
It ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. I know they waiting on me to slip up, fall, fumble, whatever. The Christian on my feet, walk with the devil. You did that, had a dream that God picked me up. In the Hellcat, I was always told that life's a game.
Had a dream that God picked me up in a Hellcat. Ooh. He picked you up in that demon? Not God. Let's go.
You can't bet back. 20 bands on clothes, we walk through Neiman's with them trumpets on us. My youngin' 16 with a body without no school diploma. She a boss bitch, she just want a boss, nigga. But she down to fuck just to get you chalk, nigga. Nigga, this ain't no 2-2.
Stop fucking with these hoes, bro. They be slimy grimy, bro. She down to fuck just to get you chalk, just to get you white chalk, just to put that shit over you, just to get your ass red taped.
Three niggas, some problem solvers. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. It ain't no other way, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way, it ain't no other way.
Alright, man, that was no cap. Ain't no other way. So look. I said it was alright, but it seemed like it started getting a little better. I might actually add that shit. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go back and listen to it. We finna go back and listen to this shit.
Algina on the track.
Hey, nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way.
I'm sorry. This shit hard. I'm sorry. If you made it this far, I'm glad that you see that I changed my mind. This shit hard.
I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. Remember days we ain't had nothing to do. Ain't called a jet, I'm bored. All my haters wanna kill themselves. I suicide my doors. And they the reason why I fled.
I'm probably gonna add this to the lights on Spotify and listen to this in the car or something for real.
That's how I do. I only ran it up because of you. That foreign car and Gino Pie make the same sound go skirt. Won't tell they get my time cut, I catch my rat with scissors. But I'ma watch as presidential. But if you run, we come and get you. Nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta
What it ain't?
tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. I know they waiting on me to slip up, fall, fumble, whatever. Dear Christian on my
Wait on me to slip up, fall, fumble, whatever, trip, being taught, whatever. Let's go.
my feet walk with the devil. You did that? Had a dream that God picked me up. And the Hellcat, I was always told that life's a gamble. You can't bet back. 20 bands on clothes, we walk through Neiman's with them trumpets.
I was told life is a gamble. You can't bet back. You only get one. You fuck it up, it's over. That's your ass.
On that, my youngin' 16 with a body without no school diploma. She a boss bitch, she just want a boss, nigga. But she down to fuck just to get you chalk, nigga. Nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. It ain't no other way, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way, it ain't no other way.
Alright, man, that was no cap, no other way. I spent the block just to listen to it again. Make sure, like, yeah, I like that shit. I like that song. That's the best song on the album. I don't care, on the project, whatever, EP, whatever you want to call it. So, I got No Other Way, Stand on Lies, Back to the Basics. Rich and Dangerous, How's It Going, Ain't Right, and Tight End. That's my 1 through 7. Let me know yours in the comment. I know a lot of y'all probably like, how the fuck you got Tight End at the end? Rollo, I know Rollo got a big little following and shit, you know what I'm saying? But nah, that's gonna have to go at the end for me. But that No Other Way, that's going to the likes on Spotify. Stand on Lies might too. It just might. I don't know. I'm gonna probably go back and listen to it. I'm not sure. Probably don't. But let me know what y'all think of No Cap album. The Main Bird. It ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. That shit hard, G. But and he also hit y'all with the switch up with the bang 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 shit, whatever. But catch me on the reaction.